Here's a simple video on how to strip Cat6 data cable. I'm using Systemax jacks and Beldon cable, plenum. That's why it's pink. It's low smoke. Anyhow, start by taking your cable with your Beldon stripping tool and stripping back about 1.5 to 1 3/4 insulation. Go around the wire with the tool, bend it, it snaps right off. Next, grab a hold of the Kevlar fiber, take your tool, cut it like so, pull it off, throw it away. Next, I take my Beldon stripping tool, which has got a pointed divider tool, which gets in between the strands that are glued or bonded together. I take the point and find a spot in the pairs where you can get the point between like that and pull gently. It comes between the cables and separates them, hopefully without damaging the pairs. Pull like such and strip them. The reason I leave the divider in is because it has a tendency to stretch or get longer when you do this. So again, I separate the next pair, pull it back to the beginning of the sheath. Do this to all 4 pairs. Brown, orange, green, blue. Each pair has got a different spiral to it. Makes it sometimes a little more difficult to separate them, but gently putting it between and pulling and hopefully separating them without having it stick and damage, like I'm having trouble with this one here. Maybe start again a little bit back further. Sometimes it'll want to suck all the insulation onto one conductor, but you don't want that. You want to keep them insulated. Okay, it's giving me a little problem. There we go. Okay, then I pull it straight, cut off the divider, push them back, cut that little cross divider off. Taking my connector, I'm going with standard 568A, so following the color code, orange, green, blue, brown, the blue and the green in the center, brown and orange on the outside. The first 2 go through the bottom or the 2 holes lower in the jack, separating them from the upper 2 like that, feed them through the holes. So solid green, white, blue, blue, brown, brown and white, solid orange, or orange and white and solid orange. They look pretty good. Then I take my Systemax special crimping tool, rapid jack, put it in there and squeeze. It cuts the wires off and punches them down. Simple as that. My last step is putting the dust cover on the back, and we're done like so. Usually there's about a 1/4 inch of insulation that's missing at the back. Gives you a little flexibility to put the jack in the box. And that's it. Next is the data plate that goes on the front of it. That's pretty customary. Should have no problem doing that. Thanks for watching my video. Have fun terminating your data.